Chip Gearing's quite possibly one of, if not my favourite Cars 3 stock car, aesthetically. And I say that because, quite frankly, I like his colours and, choices, I like all colour choices. I mean, like, for example, the green is all textured. Does that make sense? And the white S is this sort of hexagonal, honeycomb effect, if you will. I think that's pretty neat, if you ask me. Um, yeah, this is in terms of design, I think he's peak or brilliant. She's just great. Now let's talk about his sponsor. So he's sponsored by Combustor, which is a your Cars Free only sponsor. So it's an online bank, probably the replacement for AHTB, which Chick Hicks was he was sponsored by HTB, and if you didn't already know, HTB stands for Hostile Takeover Bank, which sounds kind of aggressive, to be honest with you, don't you think? I mean, hostile takeover is just no, that's absolutely it just doesn't work that well. Well, the name doesn't, at least. It just doesn't. I mean, hostile takeover. I mean, personally, I think Combust is a lot better name, and chances are it's named after combustion, which is some sort of scientific term. There's some through cars. I don't know. Should have should have paid more attention to physics. Wait, hold on. Hey, hold on. I think this is in physics or biology. Combustion. I don't know. I have absolutely no idea. No, is it biology? Because I know it has something to do with like the way the human body works or something along those lines. I don't know. Still, back to the car. He's a Bobby Swift model, which I again I don't know the like specific model name, but either way, here's some other like models for reference. So there's Red Mika for tank coat, and here's Bobby Swift himself. Hey, see your similar? Did you see the sort of similarities already between the three and the model, like the headlights, and the headlights are really similar, and by the looks of it, the expressions are pretty much exactly the same. Yeah, looks like it. Yes. Thanks, you two. See you in another video. No, sorry. So see the cars in another video. I mean, still, let's have a closer look at him. So as you can see, he's there's the combustor logo with the piston itself. The power of online banking is the slogan. Much better than hostile takeover bank, I must say. Yeah, got a piston with sparking or firing. Firing, I think that's the correct term, to my knowledge. See what I mean by the green's got a bit of like texture and like pattern to it. Yeah, it seems like the white's got a bit of I say again, as I previously mentioned, it's got a honeycomb, hexagonal pattern to it. I think that's a hexagon. Please tell me if it isn't. I'm probably blind. I can't see that well, so I'm an old man after all. Still, it's the same sponsors as literally all the other cars, free stock cars. So nothing to comment on that. Green rims with a white outline, like light year tires and whatever. Nothing much on the back, just same old really. Combustor logo and your power online banking with the piston. So yeah, I think that's aesthetic. Aesthetically, Chip Gearing series again. I love him. I think he's absolutely brilliant. I mean, he's probably not a bad racer either. Well, to my knowledge, he isn't. See, see you soon. See you soon, and have a great day, folks.